children, welcome to your JSC class. So in the previous videos, we read about the animals around us and the types of animals. We also read about the birds, insects and what's their baby called. So we have already read about all that. So in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise, okay, of that chapter only. So let's start. So first question is your multiple choice questions. You have to choose the correct answer. First, this is a wild animal, okay. So three pictures are given. First one is your lion, then horse, then cow. So wild animal means what? You have already read that wild animals means that live in forest. So your answer will be lion, okay. Horse also can be a wild animal, but it is also a your domestic animal, okay. So the answer will be your lion, okay. Then this bird can swim in water. So your crow cannot swim in water and parrot also cannot swim in water, but your duck can swim in water. So your answer is your duck, that is your middle picture. Then this is your domestic animal. Your tiger cannot a domestic animal because it live in forest and it is a wild animal. Then rat also cannot be a domestic animal. Then this is your buffalo. So buffalo is your correct answer. This is your domestic animal. Then this is a small animal. Giraffe and elephant cannot a small animal because you know how big they are. So your answer is your rat. Then this is an insect. So all of you are well known that your bird or any animal, they are not the insect. Insect only your, this is your mosquito, okay. You know your insect are very small, okay. So your answer is your insect, okay. So we have finished your multiple choice questions. Then we will see your true and false, okay. So let's start. So you have to write true or false. Frog is a small animal. True or false? Yes, this is a small animal. So you write there true. Okay. Then elephant is a pet animal. No, not at all. We can't keep the elephant as a pet animal because that is so much big. So this is your answer. False. Okay. Then third one. Wings helps the birds to fly. Yes, it is true because birds only they have the special character that they can fly, whereas the other animals cannot fly. So which one help them to fly? That is your wings. So your answer is true. Okay. Then fourth one. Wild animals live in our houses. Is it? No, not at all. Wild animals live in forest. So you write this one also false. Okay. Then fifth one. Insects have 2 legs. No, this is also false because you have read that insects have 6 legs. So this one also you write false. All of you check your answer again. First one your true, then false, then again true, then false, false. Okay. Then we will see the fill in the blanks. Okay. So choose the correct answer and fill the blank. A deer lives in the forest. Cow or lion? Yes, your lion only lives in the forest. Then deer is a bird. Duck or frog? Yes, very good. Your duck is a bird. A deer gives us milk. Cow or elephant? Elephant not noun. So your answer is cow. A cow gives us milk. Birds eat food with the help of teeth or beak. You know that birds, they don't have teeth. They have the beak. With the help of the beak they eat. Okay. So answer is your beak. Okay. Insects have dash legs. So insects have 6 legs. You know very well. Okay. Then we will see the question answers. Okay. So students, you write this true and false, fill in the blanks and answer the questions clearly and neatly in your copy. Okay. 2 times you write. So you see the question answer. What is the difference between wild animals and pet animals? So you know that what is the big difference? That is, wild animals live in forest, whereas pet animals kept at home. So this is a difference. Okay, you can write the examples also. Examples of your wild animal is your lion or tiger, and example of your pet animals is your parrot or dog. You can write the examples also. Okay. Then define domestic animals. You have already read about the domestic animals. I think you can write your own. Yes or no, students? Okay. We tame some animals for work or for food. They are called the domestic animals. Okay. Then where do wild animals live? So many times we have discussed, no? So your answer is wild animals live in forest. Then what is an insect? An insect is a small animal with 6 legs. So you have finished question answer? Okay. Then next, name the babies of these animals and birds. Okay. So you know about their babies. You know their names. So write there. The baby of your goat. What is that called? That is kid. Okay. Then the baby of your dog. That is called your puppy. Puppy. Okay. Then the baby of your lion. That is called your cub. Okay. C-U-B. Cub. Okay. C-U-B. Then frog. The baby of your frog. What is that called? That is your tadpole. Okay. T-A-D-P-O-L-E. Tadpole. Okay. Then the baby of your deer. What is that called? That is called fawn. F-A-W-N. Okay. So finished 5 number also. Then match the columns. Okay. You have to choose, that is from your column B. You see the picture from column A, then you have to choose. Okay. First picture, this is a tiger. Yes. So tell me, is that a bird or insect or wild animal, domestic animal or pet animal? So you know your tiger is a wild animal. Okay. Then dog. Very good. Your dog is a pet animal. Then horse. Your horse is a domestic animal. Then your butterfly. That is a insect. Then your crow is a bird. Okay. Finished? So neatly you write all this question answer in your copy 2 times. Okay. Thank you.